Are you trying to pick the best video editing app? Today, we are diving into a comparison of CapCut, InShot, and KineMaster. All three tools help you create and edit videos easily. They offer a range of features to enhance your content, but which one is right for you? Let's start with CapCut. This app is known for its user friendly interface. It offers a lot of effects and transitions. Plus, it's free to use, making it popular among beginners and casual editors. CapCut also allows you to add music and text easily. Now, let's talk about InShot. This app is great for editing videos for social media. It has a simple layout and provides various filters. InShot also lets you adjust video speed and add stickers. It's perfect for those who want quick edits with a polished look. Next is KineMaster. This app is a bit more advanced. It offers multi-layer editing, which means you can work on different video tracks at once. KineMaster has powerful tools for color correction and audio editing. It's ideal for users who want more control over their projects. So, what are the key differences? CapCut is great for beginners, while InShot is perfect for social media content. KineMaster is best for those needing advanced features. When it comes to pricing, CapCut is free, while InShot has some paid features. KineMaster offers a subscription model but also has a free version with limited features. In the end, if you're just starting out, go for CapCut. If you want to create social media videos, InShot is your best bet. For advanced editing, KineMaster is the way to go. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.